In this video, I will show you how we made $8,400 in 5 minutes using artificial intelligence bot signals. This AI takes into account many factors and analyzes a huge amount of data to give you a signal with a winning probability of more than 90%. Let's start trading. First, open the TradeMind bot and select the currency pair that the bot recommends. Now it's your USD on OTC market. Then set the expiration time to 3 minutes and wait for the bot to give a forecast. The bot think we need to buy. We follow the advice. Success. Let's repeat the same steps. Let's choose the same currency pair. Another buy deal. And again, success. Let's continue. The bot thinks we need to sell. We follow the advice. Great. All 3 out of 3 deals were successful, thanks to the signals of the TradeMind bot. Try it yourself. This bot is free and available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it. Good luck with your deals, and see you again.